Xiaomi Pocophone F1 and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to start by using your home screen, use tools, and here let's find screen recorder. So let's use this icon to record screen. Let's tap start. As you can see, in my case battery is low, but I can choose resume, and right now I'm just recording the screen. So to stop recording, let's use this stop key. Let me quit the screen recorder, and now you can watch your videos from your screen by using the gallery, for example, by tapping albums, choose videos, and here you should find your records, as you can see right here. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.